All right, tribe, look around. See that person next to you? Yeah, them. And you, and definitely me a few years back. We've all been there, staring at our screens, posting our hearts out, pouring creativity, time, maybe even a little piece of our soul into that feed, only to hear crickets. Maybe a like from your mom. Love you, Mom. Seriously, keep liking. You know the feeling. You check your analytics like it's the stock market, hoping for that green line to finally point upwards. But it just sits there, flatlining, like a potato. A very sad digital potato. So you ask the universe, the algorithm gods, maybe even yell at your phone, why isn't this working? You see others exploding, hitting viral gold, building empires from their living rooms, and you think, what do they have that I don't? Am I just bad at this? Stop, right, there, breathe. Because guess what? Your content isn't bad. You aren't bad. You're just stuck in the quicksand of common mistakes, invisible barriers the platform doesn't tell you about. And today, we're pulling you out. We're handing you the rope, the ladder, and a jetpack labeled fast growth. Buckle up. The brutal truths, served with a side of humor. You're talking to a wall, the algorithm wall. Think of the algorithm like that moody teenager you're trying to impress. It doesn't care about your brilliant thoughts on quantum physics, unless the crowd goes wild first. Mistake number 1, ignoring the algorithm's love language. It speaks engagement, comments, shares, saves, watch time. If your post gets a quick glance and a scroll past, the algorithm shrugs and buries it. The fix? Stop posting and vanishing. Be present. Respond to every comment meaningfully. Ask genuine questions in your captions. What's your biggest struggle with this? Run polls, Q&As. Become a conversation starter, not just a broadcaster. Make the algorithm see you as the popular kid at the party everyone wants to talk to. Your content is like a scattered flashlight beam. You post about your cat on Monday, crypto on Tuesday, a killer vegan lasagna recipe on Wednesday, and your deep thoughts on existential dread on Thursday. Mistake number 2, niche schizophrenia. Who are you for? The algorithm is confused. Your audience is confused. Nobody knows what to expect, so nobody gets excited to see you pop up. The fix? Become a lighthouse, not a disco ball. Shine one powerful, focused beam. Who is your one perfect person? What one problem do you solve for them? What one vibe do you own? Double down on that. Consistently. Yes, it might feel restrictive at first, but trust me. Clarity attracts your tribe like moths to a flame, a very specific niche flame. You're broadcasting, not connecting. The me trap. Look at my product. Look at my vacation. Look how awesome I am. Mistake number 3, it's all about you. Newsflash. People scroll social media asking, what's in it for me? Entertainment? Inspiration? Solutions? Belonging? If your content doesn't answer that silent scream, it gets skipped. The fix? Flip the script. Become the value vending machine. Ask, what pain does my audience feel? What dream do they have? Create content that solves, inspires, educates, or delights them. Share their wins, feature their stories. Make them the hero, with you as the guide. That's connection. That's growth. You're invisible in the crowd, the vanilla content vortex. Your posts look like everyone else's, safe, expected, slightly beige. Mistake number 4, blending in like chameleon wallpaper. In a sea of content, blandness drowns. The fix? Inject your uniqueness. What's your weird, your passion, your specific perspective, your humor, your signature style? Maybe it's weird analogies like comparing algorithms to moody teens. Show up authentically. Use bold visuals, unexpected hooks. Forget everything you know about avocado toast. Tell personal stories. Vulnerability builds trust. Develop a recognizable visual style or cadence. Stand out or scroll down. You're expecting overnight rainforests from occasional seeds. You post once a week, maybe, or you go on a posting blitz for 3 days, then vanish for a month. Mistake number 5. Inconsistency is the growth killer. The algorithm rewards reliability. Your audience craves it. The fix? Show up like clockwork, but smarter. Find a sustainable rhythm. Can you manage 3 killer Reels TikToks a week? 5 insightful tweets? 2 deep dive LinkedIn posts? Stick to it. Quality over quantity always. But consistency builds momentum. It tells the algorithm and your audience, I'm here. I'm committed. You can count on me. So what happens when you implement this? When you speak the algorithm's language, shine your focused beam, connect deeply, stand out boldly, and show up consistently, magic. That's what. The algorithm becomes your hype man. It starts pushing your content to more of the right people. Your reach explodes. Engagement ignites. Real conversations happen. Communities form. People eagerly await your next post. Followers become fans. They don't just follow. They trust you. They listen. They buy. They share. Growth stops being a mystery and starts being momentum. That graph? It doesn't just inch up, it starts climbing. This isn't about vanity metrics. This is about impact. This is about building something real, a community, a movement, a business, a legacy, from your passion, your voice, your unique perspective. The world needs what you have to offer, but it can't find you if you're lost in the noise, playing by invisible rules you don't understand. You have the power to change it. Starting now. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Pick one of these fixes, just one, and implement it ruthlessly on your next post. See what happens. Then add another. Build your growth engine, piece by powerful piece. The sparks we've ignited here today? This is just the beginning. Imagine having the complete blueprint. The advanced strategies, the deep dives into each platform, the mindset shifts of the most successful online creators, the step-by-step guides to turning followers into customers and passion into profit. That power is waiting for you. Click the link in the description right now. There, you'll find our ultimate social growth toolkit, packed with educational guides dissecting every algorithm nuance, ebooks revealing content creation secrets you won't find anywhere else, inspirational manuals to keep you fired up when doubt creeps in, and so much more. These aren't just products. They're your catalysts, your accelerators, your keys to unlocking the wealthy, successful online life you know is possible. Want to see more content like this? Content that cuts through the fluff and gives you real growth strategies? Smash that like button. It tells the algorithm this speech is helping people. Subscribe and hit the notification bell, because we drop value bombs like this weekly, and you don't want to miss the next one that could change everything for you. Share this video with one person who's struggling with their social media right now. Be the reason their growth explodes. Pay it forward.